Hi students, how are you? Welcome back to Google class. I'm James here. Today I'm going to discuss with a different portion, but different portion means a different citations, but they are containing same 304B of IPC only, dowry. Okay, today I am discuss with Indian Penal Code and one leading case, Nathu versus State of Uttar Pradesh. In this case, death penalty for dowry death. Okay, death penalty for dowry death. I will give you some explanation here, then it is easy to understand in this portion also. So, Nathu, N-A-T-H-U, Nathu versus State of Uttar Pradesh. In this case, while hearing a bail application before the Allahabad High Court, the Allahabad High Court observed that dowry death is worse than murder. But surprisingly, there is no death penalty for it, whereas death penalty can be given for murder. The time has come when the law be amended and death sentence should be permitted in the case of dowry deaths. Court directed that a copy of the order be sent by the registrar to Law Minister and Home Minister with a request that they might consider introducing a bill in the Parliament for such amendment or in ordinance by the central government to the same effect. Pursuant to the direction, the Law Commission of India examined the question whether Section 304B of IPC should be amended to provide for more stringent punishment of death to curb the menace of dowry deaths. In its 202nd report dated 9th October 2007, the Commission concluded that we do not recommend amendment of Section 304B of the Indian Penal Code to provide for death sentence as maximum punishment in case of dowry death. And another case, Rajbir versus State of Haryana, R-A-J-I, Rajbir, B-I-R, Rajbir versus State of Haryana. In this case, a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court directed all trial court to ordinarily added Section 302 to the charge of Section 304B, so that death sentence can be imposed in such heinous and barbaric crimes against women. But another two-judge bench, another case, Jaswinder Saini, J-A-S-V-I-N-D-E-R, Jaswinder Saini, S-A-I-N-I, Jaswinder Saini versus State of New Delhi, okay, the government of NCT of Delhi, explaining the ratio of Rajbir, R-A-J-B-I-R, Rajbir, held that trial court in that view the matter acted mechanically, for it framed an additional charge under Section 302 of IPC without adverting to the evidence adduced in the case and simply on the basis of the direction issued in Rajbir case, R-A-J-B-I-R, Rajbir case. And another case law in Satyanarayanan Tiwari versus State of Uttar Pradesh also, while upholding the conviction of the accused under Section 304B and 498A, the Supreme Court held that in fact it was really a case under Section 302 of IPC and death sentence should have been imposed in such a case. But since no charge under Section 302 IPC was levelled, we cannot do so. Otherwise, such cases of bride burning, in our opinion, fall in the category of rarest of rare cases and hence deserve death sentence. Okay, Rarest rare cases only deserving death sentence. Okay. Okay viewers, okay students, this is what happening that particular cases. If any emergency, the rarest rare cases will pass to give a judgment to the dowry. Dowry death means 7 years imprisonment. Okay, it will be converted into the death sentence also, circumstance and based on this case. Okay. Okay students, will you meet you again next video class? Read properly. Okay, take rest. That's all your students. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.